making a raw Nutella slice. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Whey chocolate protein powder. I'm going to be using the whey protein today. I've got about 6 medjool dates that I've pitted and I'm soaking in some water which I'll drain, but I'm going to leave about a tablespoon of the date water in here. I'm using the medjool dates that you'll get in the fruit and veg section of your grocery store because they will give you more of a caramel consistency and taste. I'm going to be using 1/3 of a cup of this hazelnut and chocolate spread. Delicious. I'm going to be using 1 cup of hazelnuts. I've got a cup here of almond meal, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, and 1 tablespoon of date syrup. Now to make this recipe, I'm just going to chuck it into the blender, or if you have a processor, that's fine. Blend all the ingredients together. I'll start by blending my nuts first. And then once that's really nice and combined, I'm going to press that into a lined tray. And then I'm going to sprinkle some desiccated coconut onto the top, just as extra decoration. I'll then pop that in the fridge to set for about 1 hour and then slice it up into little cubes and enjoy.